them in and let's see if there's a reaction.
3. Welcome to Learning League. Welcome to Learning League. We're doing lava lamp.
Lava lamps.
And we have this and Alka-Seltzer. And we have.
Watch out because they don't want to spill it. So let Mommy explain what we're doing, okay?
Okay.
All right, so in this right here, we have water and yellow food coloring. Sophia picked yellow. We are gonna add vegetable oil to the top, and then, we gotta let it separate. So it might be a minute. Okay. So oil and water don't mix. They don't really like each other. So all of the water is going to go to the bottom, and all the oil is going to go to the top. So repeat. All right, so they're all separated now. So what is this? Do you remember?
Alka-Seltzer.
Alka-Seltzer tablets, and I want you to start dropping a couple in. Just do this one first.
I'm gonna do 3.
This one is our regular one. It's got food coloring, water, and oil.
Okay, I'm gonna throw these.
Okay, drop them in and let's see if there's a reaction.
3.
Ooh, look at all the bubbles. Look down here. Is that pretty cool?
Yeah, let's do that.
Ooh, do you hear it?
Yeah.
It's making a sound.
1, 2, 3. Do it.
Okay.
Ooh, it's doing it. I went to
really
put
like
more.
this sound. Do you want to turn the light off and see if we can see this one in your ring? She has a ring blue light. We're going to see what it looks like. Maybe shine it down here. This. Do you see it?
Oh, yeah.
That looks really cool.
Wow. I want to do it.
Okay, you can toss all of them in there.
I'm going to break them.
That's a really cool reaction.
I'm going to do 3 more. Oh, it looks bubbly.
If you see right here, it kind of looks like a lava lamp.
Yeah.
It's got lava coming out.
And
Little one, too.
the other one, this one.
What would you give this science experiment? What would you rate it as?
Good.
Good? Would you rate it as 0 being bad or 10 being good?
10.
10? Which one was your favorite? The one without the activator or the one with the activator?
I like both.
You like both of them?
Yeah.
That's really cool. Calm down.
Calm down. Come on, Drew, come.
Pretty cool.
Come on, Drew.
Let's see these bubbles.
I want to do this so they don't.
What do you think happens if you do that? Do you think the bubbles will pop up on the top of it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
Careful, don't spill it.
Let's see what happens if we add a different color.
Ooh, yeah, let's
Okay.
add some new food coloring.
I went green and blue for the other one. Green and blue for this one. I mean green. This one.
What's your activator look like on the bottom there when you shine it on the bottom? Ooh, that's cool.
Do you want to put some green in this one?
Yeah. I'm gonna put a lot.
Okay, that'll do.
Okay.
That'll do.
I'm gonna mix it up.
Wait just a
Somebody-
minute because it might bubble up.
Yeah.
But please.
Okay, you can mix
Go
it
ahead and
once.
mix it now. Just needed to wait a second.
Whoa.
I want blue now.
That is cool.
I'm kidding.
Are you gonna do blue and the green one, or do you want to do blue and the orange one?
I'm
stains.
And
That's perfect. Good job.
Because that would very do
And
one.
then you gotta shine the activator in it, right?
It's turning blue.
It is.
Turning blue, turning blue.
Are your friends bye?
Yeah.
So see you next time.
Bye.